Hey guys, very exciting day today. We're starting our little ensuite renovation. Today's plan is to pick up the tiles. They're ready to be picked up, and also rip out all the toilet, the shower. It's gonna be fun. Alright, so I'm wearing Harry Potter pajamas. Give my rating a rating out of 10.
I give it 10 out of 10.
Thank you. The green is waterproofing. We've waterproofed underneath the sand cement bed and on top of it, just as a precaution. And then the vanity is going to be there. So we're keeping the same layout, but everything's just being updated.
The floor tiles are going in tomorrow.
Yes, the floor tiles are going in tomorrow. We're using 30 by 60 tiles, and it's going to look good.
Hello my olives, welcome back to another vlog. It is 7:30. We've just had dinner. I was tidying up. I washed my hair today. We're gonna give you we just gave you an update of the bathroom. So the first clip was like 4 weeks ago. And I'm flying off to Melbourne with Fendi.
Ooh.
So I'm really excited that I got a job with them. Like working with high fashion is always very exciting and a dream.
Yeah, it's a big week this week. A lot of things happening.
Just got to my hotel room in Melbourne. I feel like absolute death. I just want to sleep, not have a good sleep. Anyway, cute bathroom. It's actually freezing here in Melbourne. We've got a TV and this beautiful bed. This is the view. And I don't know what's in here, so let's open it. What is it? Oh my goodness. I have a Fendi bag or whatever. So cute. I don't know what people use this size for. My keys would not even fit in this, but I love it. This is the bag they've given me for tonight. Very cool. It's very Christmassy. She's fancy or whatever. Bag. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. It wasn't my first choice. I wouldn't normally wear this pink color because I feel like it washes me out. But overall, I feel cute. Let's go! So I went and shot content at the pop-up event and then came back, had a little rest. I added fake eyelashes and I wish I did this before I shot because I feel like it just makes my eyes look bigger. Just frames the face a bit more. But I'm going back to that same spot now and apparently there's going to be 400 people there for a closed influencer event, but I'm going a bit early just to take photos for like press, or I don't know, take photos for whatever. So I'm wearing all Fenty. I am so tired. I have no social battery. I'm an introvert. I need a charge. I don't know anyone going to this event, so it's a bit like, will I have anyone to talk to? Will I leave super early because there's no one to talk to? All that anxiety is happening, but I'm trying to manifest positive vibes and I'll bump into someone that I click with and can hang out with. Let's go! Guys, I didn't film anything at the event, just like I always do. I always forget because I just get like caught up in my social anxiety, social awkwardness, talking to new people that I forget to take out my camera. But I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram, you saw the event. It was basically just the pop-up store in the shopping center with all the new bags and the baguette bags from Fendi. And then there was like 200 people, a bar, a DJ, kind of just standing around in the shopping center. I'm in my pajamas now, waiting for my room service. Although they said it's gonna take an hour and a half and I feel like I might fall asleep before that food comes. I can't believe this is my job. I get to travel and just make content for brands. All thanks to you guys. This is my room service. I actually ordered the same thing for lunch and it's really yum. It's this butter chicken with the bread and the rice. Here's Fabian. And then I got pineapple juice. And they came early. Woohoo! Good night.
Night.
first look at our tiles. So we still need to grout the wall tiles. Fabian will do that tomorrow. But the tiler has officially finished. We're gonna go to Bunnings tonight and pick up like some of the
taps.
Small pieces.
Yep.
Oh, what's cooking? Good looking.
Oh, hey. My hair's all over the place, isn't it?
It's alright.
It's alright. Some pasta for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. This is actually your bowl here.
I was like, that's too much.
Yeah.
So I have an event tonight with White Fox Boutique, so I'm washing and styling my hair. I have some new products I haven't tried before. I've got the Wee Dad Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner, which I'll go in with first. I've never tried this, so let me know if you guys have. I did a big curly haul order with Oz Hair and Beauty, who I am collaborating with on Instagram. If you want to see the full haul of curl products I got, it will be on my stories soon. Make sure you have post notifications on so you don't miss it. Go in with this leave-in. Hopefully it's good for dry hair. It smells interesting. I don't know if I like it. I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and apply the leave-in in these layers at the bottom. Okay, and then I'm gonna try this Wella Boost Bounce Nutri-Curls Mousse. Ooh. Ooh. Smells good. I'm gonna do like a wet curls to dry curls transition with like a trending audio. So I want my curls to look very juicy. And then I'm gonna finish off with the Wee Dad Advanced Climate Control Gel. I haven't used this in a while, like all year, so I restocked on it. Whenever I use new products on my hair, the curls seem to thrive. So I think this will be a good wash day. I'm just gonna part my hair down the middle. I'm talking to my vlog.
Oh. Come have fun.
This is the Denman brush for those wondering. I feel like there might be too much product in my hair. And that's how I've styled my hair today. I will show you the results after I diffuse. I'm going to film like a little clip with the wet hair and do a little transition for TikTok and Instagram. Curl check. They look really good. I'm happy with the products. I'm happy with how much I put. It doesn't like feel weighed down. It just feels really clean and fresh, but still defined. I've just been doing content today. I'm gonna take my makeup off and have a little nap before I go out tonight. I could just leave my makeup on, but I hate the feeling of like makeup that you've worn since 8 AM. Oh, hi. You want to have a nap with me? No! Rude. Guys, I started getting ready at 5. I was ready to go. These girls getting ready at 7 when we're supposed to be there.
To me, because like I feel like I am way better than her.
You say as you're putting mascara.
The corset. But
I want to see the dress because I've seen that. And you said you can't breathe, so rather you be comfortable.
Like I literally can't walk. It's literally like this.
Didn't they send you like 2?
Of the same dress?
The same size.
Yes,
too, yeah?
the same exact size, the same dress twice. And I was like, why would you do that? That's not what I want.
I'm wearing this set from White Fox.
I'm wearing this set from White Fox. It's not a set, but I'm wearing this from White Fox.
Stunning.
Love it.
We love to see it. We love how the three of us have different aesthetics.
I know.
It always works.
Yeah, it does. It does. This one's gonna be funny. I'm actually excited for the days.
Yes. Guys, we made it.
We made it.
The last boat's at 8.
Barely.
It's 7:38.
7:38.
We're 10 minutes away. Daya nearly had a crisis and changed outfit. But we told her not to because she looks amazing.
She does. You look amazing and your hair's like, you know, it's a show.